we're gonna have a big carbon makeover. It's over, and by the end of the video, it's gonna be bow. Yeah, we back. How y'all motherfuckers been living? Today, we're gonna be taking off the freaking diffuser. It's time for a brand new carbon makeover. Yes, sir, ski. Started a little late, all right? All we did was take off this tow hook. Well, take off this, like, the cover for the tow hook, sorry. It's right here. You literally, it goes in like that. You push it in from the, well, it's in like that, right? You push it in from the top, pops out, dumb easy. 1, 2, 3. Then, there was these little push pins right here. We took those out with this little snap tool. And that's it. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a big carbon makeover. It's over, and by the end of the video, it's gonna be bow, done. Let me know what y'all think. Stock versus the end of the video. Because, oh man, I can't wait till I put it on. I've actually been wanting this diffuser that we had gotten since the moment I had seen it come out about a year ago, before I even got the car. So let's get into it. Hopefully I don't break nothing, and we out of here. Nah, I just want y'all to see this because this is a crazy design. I had to put gloves on. Look, you gotta shove your finger in there and yank. Okay, hold on. We're at the edge. So the edge, the way I did it for the last part was I yanked it from the bottom. So I'm gonna do that off camera real quick because this shit's hard and I don't want that to hit the ground. Then it's gonna be fucked when I wanna go back to OEM. But yeah, now BMW. Wow. I'm really a mechanic. Nah, let me stop. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, yo, this don't look too bad. If it didn't have that little, like, right there where I'm pointing, that, like, hole, I don't know, they decided to save a couple cents. It was like, fuck that. Literally decided to save a couple cents. But yep, ah, man, she's sitting nice. That's the diffuser, guys. You can see it's paint matched, little hole on it. Now let me stop. But we got everything out. This one was a fucking bitch to pull the fuck out, I ain't gonna lie. I just like, I swear, I was just tugging and pause. But yeah, we got everything out. I broke one clip on the long piece right there. That long border piece is just one fucking clip. It ain't gonna end the world. Success. Yeah, let's go put on the new diffuser, man. Let's go get that reveal ready. Let me go get it. Let me go bring it outside. We actually gotta start taking apart a piece of the trunk to get to the tail light to wire the diffuser. I thought shit was sweet, bro. No, now I'm rethinking the LED part. I'm really rethinking the LED part, but I gotta wire this bitch. I ain't getting it out without it being wired. So I think we gotta pull this weather stripping. I took out like 3 clips already, but I didn't start pulling it back yet because I wanna fuck something up. So that's when we go to the forums. I ain't gonna lie, the forums have saved me way too many times. Shout out to everybody that be sharing their experiences. I share mine on there once in a while. I ain't giving y'all my username. But yeah, let's get to this shit. Let me figure this shit out. Okay, at least they made it easy. Literally, these are just suction clips. You just fucking pop this up. That's actually nice. Then there's 2 bolts to the taillight right here. And I'm pretty sure I just peel this back and there's another bolt somewhere in there. That's the hardest fucking bolt. Probably gonna have to ratchet set for that shit. But yeah, that's actually not fucking bad at all. So let's go get that shit. We out of here. Oh, what the fuck? A bee just went on my fucking hand, bro. Fuck that fucking piece of shit. Ta-da! As you can see, tail light is off. It was a little bit of a bitch. There was 2 bolts right here, 1, 2, and then there was one all the way back there behind the spring where that hole is. And exactly where that was, I lost the fucking bolt. So, not the happiest camper. But we're about to test. I'm gonna leave y'all here. let's see if I got this right. I just checked, it's not linked to the hazards either, so I think either it's not sending signal because the taillight's not connected, or this red wire needs to be connected too. So let's try that out. Okay, so your boy did have to have the taillight plugged in. Don't worry, taillight is like held in by this grommet right here. A little slack on the wire will be fine. Yep, that was the hazard I hooked it up to. But that's why we check things and we make sure, because I knew that it would send two different power signals for the hazard and the brake light, because with this car, when you turn the hazards on, the brake light also goes on. So yeah, let's get into doing that shit real quick. Look. It's currently downpouring, but we actually got one side in. Super fucking easy. These literally just pop right in. Let me see if I can get it for y'all real quick, one-handed, because it was actually that easy for once. Oh, we actually have a clip knot in. Hold on. Let's go smacking. You just pop it in. Get a bad angle. Again. But wow, hold on. Hold on. Sheesh. Yeah, we skipped a step. I ain't gonna lie. Spoiler is installed, my fellas. Sheesh. Shout out to Jay. Yo, this spoiler is actually made for a G82, obviously. And to my knowledge, I kind of thought this, but I searched online and I shouldn't have read the first thing I read and should have checked the second thing that was under it. But the G80 and G82 have a different trunk, so while it fits, it's 3M taped it on there. We got that hang. We got that hang, and it's only right, it starts from right here. So like, I don't know. But she is sitting nice. As you can see, the LED diffuser goes on every time we hit the hazards and brakes. Oh my God. Oh my God. We got one more part to add. And this rear is done. I'm not talking taillights. The taillights, the OEM taillights, I'm gonna rock for a while. Like, wow. Wow. Oh, we also debadged the X-Drive. That was needed. I used a freaking 3M eraser wheel. Absolute hell. And glue gone. I don't know what kind of 3M tape they use in this shit, but I need that in my life because this shit did not want to come off for nothing. Nothing. The eraser wheel was fucking almost getting too hot. I was scared I was gonna rip off paint. I'm like, all right, let me chill. Then I'm going fast, then I'm going slow. Then I'm fucking, the drill's fucking dead on me. Then it died midway. So let's just say under the spoiler is still some OEM 3M tape, but only a little. Sheesh. This was the bitch, but damn, she's sitting nice. Black and white BMW badge, maybe? Do all that YouTube shit. Love y'all niggas. We out of here.